Hi everyone, we are back and we are soon to have our nice casserole. It turned out awesome, it's really delicious. So we're gonna make our own guacamole to go with this. We're not gonna put tomatoes. Tomatoes is one thing that we could put in there, but instead we're gonna have it with salsa as well. Just store-bought salsa. We could make our own salsa too, that's awesome. But for tonight, I think we'll just use the store-bought. So save ourselves a little bit of time. So to make some guacamole, the ingredients, well, we need some avocados. So we took 2 avocados and I peeled them, took out the
We want to move your pepper out of the way.
Oh, sure. Okay. There you go. So I peeled them and I took the noyo out. I'm bilingual. Sometimes the seed. There you go. Sometimes I only think of the French word, the noyo. So there you go. So I got some avocado in there. We're going to use our Vitamix blender, and Vitamix is also it's a really powerful, not cheap blender, but it's lasted us like 6-7 years, and it's still working like really awesomely. And it's also the brand that is used like at Booster Juice and places like that, so it's really good ones. So, but we have the home version one, not the commercial one. So we'll put some garlic, a couple of cloves of garlic in there, some cut up cilantro. There, we'll put that in there. So, and some onion. So, some onion, maybe 1/4 of a big onion. And we'll put some lime in there. So we'll put the lime. We've got this nice lemon and lime press here. So we'll put the juice of a whole lime in there. Make it really tasty. There we go. And some salt, pepper to taste. Bit of salt, bit of pepper to taste, and we will get the Vitamix going and let her buck. So here we go. So now we've made some guacamole. I think this is going to be delicious guacamole. So again, we were just going by feel about the amounts. There may be a little too much onion for some, depending on how much onion, how do you like it. So you put the flavors you prefer, and put the flavors according to what you like.